Fame Frequency celebrated its second anniversary of being the #1 virtual entertainment show in Jamaica. The all-white event, Glitz, was held on Saturday night and saw invited patrons out in their numbers at the celebration. Now, the night featured party masters, DJs Arif Cooper, Denvo, Roderick, and Delhi. Now, the DJs pulled out all the stops and held the party's high energy all night. Fame Frequency also saw an energetic performance from Ding Dong and the Ravers crew, who brought the frequency up to another level. Ding Dong performed his catalogue of hits, including Rich Walk, Watch Them, Good Things Them, and his newly released track, Stir Fry.
Energy, I say I dance, be ready for it. Get mad, get wild, like you know. Every watcha. RPG! Not funny! New year, new style, new everything. New chain, new watch, new bling bling. New this, new that, new dancing. Then new today. Now put with the new thing. Dancing sick. Lead by your mind like a jacket with a wheel. Talk to me nice, don't make a mess. No freedom of speech when you're talking. Silence it. And them a ball for the rooftop.
Fame Frequency is a multi-platform party aired on radio, cable, free-to-air TV, and online, and features the top DJs in Jamaica, dancers, hosts, and Zoomers. Now, the event was birthed out of the need to help Jamaicans cope with the curfews and movement restrictions and the lack of entertainment events as a result of those restrictions. In celebrating the ban lift on the entertainment sector, Fame Frequency has plans on taking the event outside soon. Stay tuned. Now, onto the international scene, where over the weekend it was reported that rapper Ye, formerly known as Kanye West, was pulled from the 2022 Grammy Awards performance lineup. Now, on Friday, news broke that his act had been pulled from the show due to his concerning online behavior. His most recent online attack was a racial slur aimed at Trevor Noah, who will be hosting the Grammy Awards. Other acts slated to perform include Billie Eilish, BTS, Lil Nas X, and Olivia Rodrigo. Trevor Noah has since reacted to the news in a tweet stating, quote, "I said counsel Kanye, not cancel Kanye," end quote. The 64th Grammy Awards is slated for April 3. I'm Deidre Ann Gordon reporting for E! Prime.